Tonight for dinner, I'm going to be baking chicken, broccoli, and ziti. Here are the ingredients that I got. I don't have ziti. I am going to use just penny pasta, so whatever we got at home. I bought from the grocery shopping today. I got the roasted chicken, the rosemary and garlic. I have at home some broccoli that needs to be used out of starting to get a little dark at the end. And then for the sauce, I'm not making homemade. I'm using the Rouse Alfredo sauce, and that's what we're gonna make tonight. So join me as we get this ready. Let's get some water boiling. The water starts to boil. I'm gonna cook that. I just had a craving for coffee. It's only 5 o'clock. These were pre-washed because I got them last week and I washed them. So I already had half of it. See? Starting to get a little funky. But everything else looks good. We're not wasting it. Oh, you guys can't see me. Oh, we can still boil. I can't see the numbers. We're gonna let that boil so we can cook this a little bit. I like them. Water is rapidly boiling. I don't know if you guys can see that. So let's get the pasta in.
Okay, so I'm gonna go over the.
You would?
I'm gonna be going over to Dean's right now.
Okay.
Because he's hanging up the cars and the TV in the door. I'm gonna help him out with that. But first,
Okay.
the little box on my bed, I want to put the other one on my car.
The chicken. And that's what we're gonna do. Seriously. Look how well, it's so nice. It was so nice and warm when I picked it up early today from the supermarket. It was, could have gobbled it all down. Love chicken. Okay, so I'm going to shred this, and then I'll be back to assemble everything together. Okay, so this is that chicken all done. This is as much as I got it. Quite a bit. Now with the carcass, I do not throw it away. I'm going to put it in the freezer and chicken stock with it. And that's what I'm going to do. The pasta's boiling, the water's taking on the side of sweet thyme, And I think I got just about everything out of this. It was a small chicken. It wasn't like a huge chicken or anything. So here, I got just about everything out of it, minus the string. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this in the freezer, put it on a Ziploc bag, put it in the freezer, and save it for stock. And that's about it. I am going to assemble. Once I start to assemble everything, I will come back. A little bit. All right, I think I'm ready to assemble. I think I'm ready to assemble. I need these. One of the things I'm going to do is grate some Parmesan cheese to put over, oh my hand, the pasta. I guess I should have pre-grated this beforehand. But I didn't, but we also don't need a lot. Just a little bit more. Because the sauce is already made for cheese, so you don't want to overdo it, but just some for the top to kind of give a little bit of extra flavor. I think this is an 8 by 13. You guys can't see my thing. I think this is an 8 by 13. I'm going to take my broccoli. I'm just making sure there's no water in it. Put it on the bottom. Excuse me, I do know I did cook a little bit too much pasta. I should have gone with my instincts and I did not, but that's okay. Clean hands, by the way. I don't have to tell you that. I don't know what I did. Ooh. That's okay. It's not gonna go to waste. Sure, I'll add some butter to that and put it away. I'm sure one of my kids will devour it. Before I slip and fall, it would be funny though. All right, so we got that. We got our chicken. Actually, I might just put the rest of that pasta in here. I don't know. Okay. Pretty thick. Just gonna drizzle on the top. Also don't want this to be too dry. The more the better, I think, in my opinion. Oh, this thing was too big for it. Misjudged. going to actually use both of them. I don't think this is going to be, yeah, this is definitely not going to be enough. So now I'm just going to stir it a little bit. Just a little bit, see if it's gonna get everything, if you need to add the remainder or not. I need all the whole entire bottle. Not that there's much left. I'm not doing something else. Nice and even. Some of the cheese. Oh, I did kind of shred too much, but it's all right. If anybody wants to put extra in their plate, they can. Okay. So now I'm going to put it in a 350-degree oven. 50, just until I see a little bit of crusting forming and the cheese is melting. Give it 20 minutes, maybe less, not sure. We'll keep an eye on it.
Let's clean up some of the food prep that I hate cooking in dirty kitchens, so I'm gonna quickly clean up. Get ready for dinner.
refrigerator, so when we have dinner, we got the remaining. Grocery shopping earlier. My oranges, I need to put them away. I need to cut this up. Stay out. Feeling overwhelmed. Oh, God. I hope they're sweet. I haven't had luck with them. Found the eggs. Oh. Oh. Somebody moved eggs on me in the refrigerator. And I thought I didn't have eggs. So I bought 2 cartons of eggs. And I just found the one that I was looking for. Clearly not looking hard enough, because if I had been, I'd find it. Only me. Only me. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Okay. Mackenzie, was that the garage? Was that the garage door opening? I wonder where Daddy's at. He's thinking must be a lot of traffic.
How's dinner coming?
It's in the oven.
Okay.
Okay.
How long does it take to cook?
I'm gonna look at it right now. It's got a few minutes, so the cheese still needs to be melted a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, so why don't you? What were you doing?
I was making a LOL surprise book.
I was gonna wash these berries, but you know what? I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow. it up. And I need my water. Should think I need to wash it first. Okay, so this is, food is in the oven. I'm gonna wash my hands because I just wiped down the counters, and I think that's it. So this is all I do while the food is cooking, kind of clean it up, make sure the counters are nice and clean, because I can't stand clutter. My brain doesn't function. Once that's ready to get out of the oven, I'll come back down. And this is the dinner, how you came up, the chicken, broccoli, and ziti. Still a little warm, nicely melted. I'm gonna serve it with a little bit of garlic bread, and I'm probably gonna have a salad with it because it's not enough broccoli in there for a veggie. If you like this, subscribe and hit the like button.